Today we will see conversion in units, its examples and misconception. In your life, you must have seen the use of metric system in many places, such as 8 cm length of the pencil, 5 mg of medicine in a needle, 500 grams of sweets in a box, etc. In many situations, we need to change the unit for this. The change of the distance, weight, and volume of units expressed in the table should be known. You can understand these changes by stopping the video. Let us now see some examples related to them. Rohan is measuring 2 line segments. The length of one segment is 30 centimeters and the other is 500 millimeters. What will be their total length? As you can see, in the given question, the unit of both the lines are different. It is necessary to make these units equal to find the total length. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. In this way, 30 centimeters is equal to 30 multiplied by 10 millimeters, that is 300 millimeters. Now we can add the measurements of the line segments when the units are equal. This will give us the total length of the line segments 800 millimeters. If we have to change this solution in centimeters, what will we do? Now 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. So 800 millimeters will have 800 divided by 10 centimeters, that is 80 centimeters. In this way, multiplication is always done when converting to smaller units and division is done when converting to larger units. If 5 mg tablets are to be made from 2 kg and 250 grams of medicine, how many pills will be made? Here also, we have to make the units same. The amount of medicine is 2 kg and 250 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Thus, 2 kilograms is 2000 grams. By combining it with 250 grams, you will get 2250 grams. Still, the units are not same. Here, the gram has to change to milligrams. Since 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram, so 2250 grams will be 2250 multiplied by 1000 milligram, that is 22,50,000 milligram. One such tablet of 5 milligram is to be made from this quantity. So, the number of tablets can be obtained by dividing them. With this, the number of pills obtained is 4,50,000. Now, let's look at a misconception. A tank has 2000 liters of water. How would you express 2000 liters of water in milliliters? Many times, it is misunderstood that division is done when converting to small units and multiplication when making changes to larger units. Option 1 from this understanding is a wrong answer. Similarly, sometimes the unit is ignored or it is mistaken. The correct understanding is that the fold is multiplied when converting to small units and the division is made when converting to larger units. This will give the correct answer, option 2. So today we have seen conversion in units, its examples and misconception.